Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is FITRIANI. I'm a student in Borneo University of Tarakan, English Department 2017. Today, I will to present about material procedure text. So, procedure texts have a definition, genetic structure, purpose, and language feature. So, what is definition of procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of series. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or step. There are three definitions about procedure text. First, text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals. For example, how to use the video, how to use the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, and the fax. And the second, text that instruct how to do a particular activity, for example, receipt, rules for games, science experiments, road safety rules. And the third, text that deal with human behavior, for example, how to live happily, how to succeed. And now, generic structure of procedure. There are three generic structures in procedure text. The first is goals or purpose. The second is materials or tools. The third and the last are step or method to achieve the purpose. To know the text that we read is procedure or not is so simple. You can read the title. If the title is started with how to make or how to use, it can be certainly that the text is procedure text. And now, you remember that genetic structure of procedure have 3 points. The first, goal, or for example, how to make spaghetti, material or ingredients, for example, the material to cook omelette or egg, onion, vegetable, oil, and etc. And the 3-point step, for example, first was the tomatoes, onion, second, cut the onions, become sliced, and etc. And the third, purpose of procedure text. First, the purpose of procedure text to explain or tell the reader how to make, operate, do something through the sequence of action or steps. To explain step or instruction to make or operate or do something. And the fourth point is a language feature of procedure text. Use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, and the last. Use command or imperative sentence. For example, put the noodles on the, or cut the onion, or wash the tomatoes. Using adverbials, adverb, to express the time, place, manner, accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, or 2 hours, or etc. And using action verbs, it's, for example, make, take, boil, and cook. Using simple present tense. So, this is the example of procedure text. We want to make this, so we have to prepare our materials: mango, avocado, sugar water, milk, ice, apple, strawberry, wine, and jackfruit. Now, what is the step? So, first, then, next, then, and last. It's used adverbial to using temporal conjunction, and this is cut, scratching, boil, put, to, put. This is the example of use command imperative. It's same like adverb too. So the step is: first, cut the fruit front or dice, then stretching the flesh of a melon, then boil sugar with water until cooked for about 30 minutes. Next, glasses that have been cut, round pieces or dice. Then, to transport to sugar water, put ice cups and put milk on ice fruit. And the last, put the decoration on the glass with a piece of strawberry on it. And this is the last procedure example, procedure to charge handphone battery. You must prepare your handphone and battery charge. And the step is: first, connect charge to your handphone. That flash symbol on the charge plug must face upward. Second, wait until the battery icon appears on the screen. After that, charge battery approximately 3 hours until the battery icon indicates that the battery is full charge. And then remove the charge by pulling out from your handphone. Remember that first, second, after that, and then is a adverbial of sequence. And then connect the charge, wait until charge battery, and remove that is use command or imperative sentence. It's like adverb to and using action verb. So your procedure text will be perfectly. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I hope this material will be useful for you, and see you. Bye bye.